Wait, before you pay even a single rupee for any Udemy course. Watch this video first, because I'm going to show you how to get 30 plus paid Udemy courses, completely free, with a certificate you can actually put on your resume and LinkedIn. No tricks, no piracy, 100% legit. Let's go. What's up, everyone? If you're a student, a fresher, or someone trying to upskill without breaking the bank, this video is literally made for you. I've put together 30 plus premium Udemy courses that you can grab for free today, with a verified certificate. These are courses that people pay for every single day. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get them all at zero cost. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also show you how to add these certificates to your CV and LinkedIn to get shortlisted for jobs and internships faster. Alright, so first things first. I've listed all 30 plus courses in the video description below. Just scroll down right now and open it up. Each course has a number next to it. So first, check the course title. If it's something you're interested in, great. Note down the course number. In this example, it's course number 1. Now open the video description, yes, right below this video. You'll see all the course links numbered. Just click on the same number as the course you want. Click course number 1 and it'll take you directly to the course page. Now here's where the magic happens. You'll land on a special page. This link has the coupon code automatically baked in, but only for people who are subscribed to this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. I'll wait. Done. Perfect. Now click that button so the coupon applies automatically. And boom, the price drops to 0. Now click the big green Enroll Now button. If you already have a Udemy account, just log in. If not, you can create a free account using Google, Facebook, or your email. Takes less than a minute. Once you're in, click Enroll Now one more time to confirm. And that's it. The course is now 100% free for you. Hit Start Course. Watch all the videos and complete the course. Udemy will track your progress automatically. Once you finish the course, just click the Udemy Certificate button and download your official verified certificate. This is a real certificate, the same one people get after paying full price. Now here's the game changer. Add this certificate to your CV, your LinkedIn profile, and your portfolio. Recruiters love candidates who show initiative. This is how freshers get shortlisted even without experience. Let your certificates do the talking. Now just go back to the description and repeat these same steps for every single course on the list. The course numbers will change. Course number 2 is Strategic Partnerships and Collaborations, and so on. Keep going until you've grabbed every course you want. Imagine finishing even 5 to 10 of these. That's a seriously impressive profile. By the way, drop a comment below and tell me, which course from the list are you going for first? I read every single comment. Me know. And listen, these coupons are time sensitive. They can expire anytime. So if you want to be the first to know whenever I drop a new batch of free courses, hit that subscribe button right now. And click the bell icon. Make sure you select all notifications, not just occasional. That way you'll never miss a free course drop. I post these regularly, and my subscribers always get them before anyone else. Want to connect with me personally? I've dropped my links in the description below. Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever you like to hang out. I'm always happy to help students and learners out. Reach out, say hi, ask questions. Got you. Alright guys, that's everything. 30 plus paid Udemy courses, absolutely free, with verified certificates you can use to build your career. Everything you need is in the description below. No excuses now. Your upskilling journey starts today. If this video helped you even a little, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel grow and lets me keep bringing you more free stuff. Share this with a friend who needs it. And I'll see you in the next one. Victory hand.